Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your mid-month love reading. So if you're looking for a general reading, that video has already been uploaded. Yes, so I know you cannot see the entire spread, but I'm going to show you the card as and when we move forward. This is exclusively a love reading. If you are single, in a relationship, in a situationship, married or divorced, then this reading is for you. Also check your sun, moon and rising. So if any of your sign is an Aquarius, this reading is for you. This is going to be in English and I'm going to post a Hindi and Urdu, Hindi come Urdu video in another round. Okay, so let's see what your cards are telling me. Let's see how your love life is going around this time. I see a lot of people gossiping about you. I see that you're taking charge of your life as well. Let's clarify more. Yes. All right. So you have got the Pope card and the Nine of Sons, and you've got the Seven of Spheres and the Emperor card, right? So I do feel that you had to fight and struggle a lot in your personal life, right? Maybe in your relationships, maybe with your friends, maybe with your spouse's friends, maybe with their relatives, their in-laws. So I do see that constant fight has been there where you had to, prove your point and win the battle every time. Comparisons were there, demeaning behavior were there, insults were there. So I do see that you had to constantly fight with people who are not even worthy of that kind of time from you, of that kind of attention from you. So I do feel that these people you had to constantly fight with were just sheep and you are a lion, right? So I do see that these people are nobody in front of you. You are a beautiful person, you are caring, you're kind, and these people were just trying to bully you for no reason. Maybe because they were jealous, maybe because they wanted something in return, maybe they wanted your money, maybe they were after your position, maybe they were after your house. So, you had to constantly compete with them. I'm seeing that you will be on top. So if you were dealing with such people in your life, your in-laws, your relatives, your friends, your family, or even any legal battle, right? So I do see you coming out on top and winning the battle. I also do see you acting as a pope, as in the leader, okay? Somebody who directs the people in the right direction. So I do see that you have that kind of persona where, people listen to you, people believe in you. So I do see that you will have majority of people on your side. If you're going through fights and legal battles, there will be majority of people who know you, what kind of person you are. So if somebody is coming and telling that, you did this and you did that, nobody is going to believe them. Why? Because people know you. You are like a pope. I will like to clarify more of that in your personal life with Nostradamus in case I'm missing out on anything. Yes, so I do see you will be dealing with judges as well, legal battles as well, divorce kind of a situation where you will come out on top. So the decision that's going to come out, the judgment that's going to come out is going to be in your favor. So I do see that you have a lot of power. Maybe you're a businessman. Maybe people respect you a lot, right? Maybe your family has a good name. So people will be siding with you, okay, not just because you are powerful but also because they believe in you. Okay, next we are getting the seven of spheres. Let me clarify the seven of spheres as well. Yes, so there will be reward for good work that you're going to get, right? So like I said, you will be getting reward. You will be, the judgments will be in your favor. People believe in you. If you are fighting with sheep, then you must know that you are a lion. So I do see a lot of fights and legal battles in your personal life right now, Aquarius. I do see that there is a very stressful environment which is going on, but I do see that you will come out on top. You will be wealthy again in case you have lost any kind of money in alimony. You are already at a very good position, so I do see that you are going to be very successful in your legal battles. I also see that you are, like I said, at the position of a priest, a commanding force. You have a commanding force. You're like an emperor. So you are a big shot, in order to say that. You have a lot of money. So you can buy people also. But I do see that this is more like people respecting you for who you are instead of you buying people, or you don't have to really pay people to give decisions in your favor, right? So I do see that you are in that emperor position, or I do see that your father has a major influence in your life. I also see that your father protecting you fiercely in this situation, in that divorce settlement that is happening, legal battle that is happening, any personal fights that is happening. I do see a very supportive, strong father. Now that father might come across as strict to you, or somebody who doesn't care about you, but no, if they are saying something, I think you should listen to them, because parents can be strict, they can be fierce. They might have a very different way of doing things, but at the end of the day, I do see that they mean well. They are looking out for you. So if there is something which is going on, I would say, uh, you have to listen to your father. It could be that a lot of people are joining a business now with their fathers. I see that as well. Trouble in your personal life, definitely, but work life, I do see it's happening quite nicely. So yes, a lot of fights which is happening, a lot of legal battle which is happening, father influence, I see it could be father influence in your relationship. So I would say that you should listen to your family in case you have to choose between the person you think you're going to trust and you want to spend your life with, or your father. Then I would say that you must, or it could be an elder brother, it could be your husband. If you are dealing with a lot of fights with someone, I do see that you need to listen to the head of the family in your life, right? That will help you make wiser decisions, Aquarius. So this is your reading, love reading, a little bit complicated, I know. If you resonated with it, please do like, share, and subscribe, and comment and let me know that yes, I did. I will be very happy to know. All right. So I will see you soon, and you guys take care. Bye bye.